Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to enable Kik two-factor authentication. So in the streaming app, you need to log into your Kik account in your web browser. Just go to kik.com and log into your account, and then you need to go to your profile here at the top right corner, and then you need to click on settings. So after that you need to go to the security tab right here, and now you will find two-factor authentication. So just click on this button, enable 2FA. Now you will be needing to use your authenticator app from your mobile phone. In your device, you need to go to your Google Authenticator and scan the QR code right here, or you can also enter the setup key, which is also there below the QR code. In the authenticator, you need to click on this plus icon and go to whichever method you want to try. After that, scan the code and you will be given a code in your authenticator. So just enter the code that is given in your app and click on continue. So after that, you are set with your two-factor authentication in your Kik. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.